Imagine scaling a tricky spot on your next hike or needing an emergency retrieval tool. This next gadget has your back, whether camping, exploring, or tackling the everyday. Made from titanium, this tool has an exceptional strength-to-weight ratio, making it durable without being heavy. You can use it to retrieve lost items, create a makeshift anchor, or climb over obstacles in emergencies. Its detachable design allows it to transform into a secure, waterproof container, ultimately enhancing its versatility. The transformed container can store matches, medication, and other small survival essentials. The tool currently costs $55. Anyone who has ever struggled with damp kindling or a stubborn lighter knows the importance of a reliable fire starter. This next survival gadget is made from bagasse, a sugarcane byproduct with a burn time of approximately 15 minutes. Its specially formulated tip can be ignited with the included striker, even when wet. They also feature a compact shape, making them easy to carry or store, and they can be used for igniting barbecues or candles. These fire starters cost around $21 per box. This tool offers a unique proposition for those seeking a discreet and versatile perimeter protection solution. Its lightweight and compact design allows it to function as a trip alarm, a launcher for emergency flares, or a deterrent sound blank. You can easily fit it inside your shirt pocket or carry it inside your camping bag. When deployed as a tripwire system, the device emits a loud sound upon triggering, enough to deter would-be trespassers or wildlife encounters. When used as emergency flares or signal blanks, you can alert rescuers or signal for help in distress situations. It is designed for quick and easy deployment and costs $135. According to the company behind this product, this gadget is an all-in-one solution for fishing enthusiasts, promising big catches with minimal effort. It can easily fit into a pocket or glove compartment with a collapsing design, eliminating the need for bulky fishing rods and tackle boxes. The handle also has a hidden compartment for storing essential lures and hooks, making it perfect for surprise fishing trips. This tool is ideal for introducing children to the sport and costs only $35. Fire is a source of warmth, comfort, and survival for people who love camping. Featuring a ferritium rod, this tool eliminates the need for flammable materials and ensures reliable spark production, even in wet or windy environments. The striker is durable steel and uses a built-in handle or scraper edge. Its small size makes it easy to store in a backpack or pocket, making it a dependable companion for camping trips, hikes, or survival. Plus, it is fuel-free, durable, and can last for years. This gadget costs around $11. This next camping tent aims to bring a revolution to the Easy Erect shelters. The easy-to-set-up system eliminates the hassle of complex pole structures and allows for effortless and speedy assembly. It features a waterproof and breathable fabric, ensuring you stay dry and comfortable even during challenging weather conditions. There is a built-in porch that offers protection from rain and is convenient for storing boots, bait, or other gear. Starting at around $475, this gadget is designed for those who value speed and efficiency. Finding a water source that is safe enough to drink is a significant concern for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. This portable, easy-to-use straw filters water from natural sources, like lakes, streams, and rainwater. The product can easily fit in a pocket or backpack, eliminating the need for bulky water filters or purification tablets. This means you can take it with you for hiking, camping, or any situation with limited space. Created from food-grade plastic, it is also lightweight and safe for use. Its ultrafiltration technology filters contaminants like bacteria, parasites, and cysts. It boasts a filtering capacity of up to 2,000 litres of water. The price for this product starts at $38. For campers exploring on chilly nights, the wrong sleeping bag can turn a fun camping trip into a shivering nightmare. But what if you could add an extra layer of comfort? This sleeping bag uses a modular heating system, starkly contrasting with traditional sleeping bags that rely only on insulation. It features strategically placed heating pads powered by an external source. These pads distribute heat throughout the bag, providing a cozy and comfortable sleep, even in cold weather. It is also easy to maintain, and you can adjust the heating level by adding or removing the heating pads. This product is suitable for year-round camping, and its lightweight design allows it to be carried anywhere, and it costs around $100. This fire stick is a potential solution when lighting a fire or cooking food outdoors. It promises quick and reliable ignition, even in challenging weather conditions. Made from a specially formulated material that is non-toxic and eco-friendly, the stick ignites with minimal sparks. Plus, its versatility makes it a very reliable companion on your outdoor adventures. This fire stick performs even in wet or windy conditions, and its lightweight and compact size allows for easy storage anywhere. This tool only costs $15. This innovative hanging tent system is different from traditional tent designs. Instead of resting on the ground, it utilizes a carbon fiber frame suspended between two trees using high-strength straps. This allows it to create a comfortable sleeping platform above the forest floor, protecting you from potentially dangerous insects and critters. It features an inflatable mattress for comfort and insulation and a breathable inner mesh for ventilation. A detachable rainfly protects you from rain showers, ensuring a dry and comfortable sleep, and multiple pockets and compartments for storing essential gear. This tent costs around $890. This next product tackles the need for multiple essential tools by offering a completely innovative solution. Like a Swiss Army knife, you can use this tool to chop firewood, dig trenches, cut tree branches, hammer tent nails, and even grab loose gear. It is made from high-carbon steel with a carbon fiber nylon handle, making it lightweight, robust, and durable. Plus, its two-stage locking mechanism prevents any accidental release. It can also withstand various weather conditions and has replaceable parts. Ideal for campers, hikers, backpackers, and survivalists, this tool costs $285. It's all fun camping out in snowy regions until your fingers feel numb. This pair of innovative gloves is designed to keep your hands warm and comfortable even in frigid conditions. It features rechargeable lithium-ion batteries that power strategically placed heating elements, ensuring toasty comfort throughout your entire hand. You can choose from 3 heat settings and enjoy hours of warmth on a single charge. Made from goatskin leather, these gloves are durable and increase grip, whether navigating icy terrain or gripping ski poles. And its comfortable fit allows you to carry out your essential tasks easily. This product is perfect for skiers, snowboarders, and adventurers and comes for $220. Whether you are an avid hiker or a weekend camper, having a reliable first aid kit is essential. This waterproof splint can be a valuable addition to your kit. It offers a simple and effective way to treat an injured limb in an emergency. This product is ideal for outdoor activities and is constructed from a durable waterproof material. It can withstand rain, snow, or even being submerged in water. Since it uses a malleable design, you can mold it to the specific shape of the injured arm or leg, providing proper support. Its 36-inch length makes it versatile, accommodating a variety of injuries. This product is ideal for athletes, weekend warriors, and outdoor enthusiasts, costing around $18. Protecting your gear from external elements is crucial when going for outdoor activities. This duffel bag promises to be your gear's ultimate shield, safeguarding your belongings from water, dirt, and even the occasional bump. Made from high-quality, heavy-duty PVC tarpaulin, the gadget is waterproof and resistant to punctures and tears. And its heavy-duty, watertight closure system creates a reliable seal, preventing water intrusion. Featuring a 3,000 cubic inch capacity, this bag offers ample space for all your outdoor essentials, whether going on a multi-day expedition or a weekend camping trip. This bag costs around $300 and is made specifically for campers, kayakers, boaters, and fishermen. This innovative 3-in-1 tree tent redefines camping, offering a comfortable sleeping platform suspended amidst the trees. Instead of resting on the ground, it utilizes a triangular platform suspended between two trees with strong, adjustable straps. This elevated design creates a sense of protection, allowing you to escape from crawling insects and small reptiles. When not suspended, its base transforms into a comfortable shade, and its rainfly attachment keeps you dry from occasional showers. Additionally, it is portable, features breathable materials, and can accommodate up to 3 people. This tent costs $1,200. This sleeping mat can be an excellent option for backpackers who prioritize comfort without sacrificing weight. The mat balances warmth, portability, and durability, making it ideal all year round. Nicknamed Superlight, it weighs only 18 ounces and features air chambers, shaped to reduce weight while still providing stability and support. It has 2 layers of heat-reflective film to trap warmth, keeping you comfortable on chilly nights. Its nylon fabric with TPU lamination offers impressive durability, while the high-volume valve allows for quick and easy inflation and deflation. With this mat, you can enjoy a plush sleeping experience. The price starts at around $150. When venturing outdoors, you have to be prepared for unexpected downpours. This cape offers a compact and affordable solution for staying dry on the go. Made from thin but durable thermal PE material, it is surprisingly lightweight at only 2.8 ounces, which means you can carry multiple ponchos at any given time. Apart from being waterproof, it can trap up to 90% of your body heat, functioning as a makeshift emergency blanket. It can be a lifesaver if you get caught in unexpectedly cold or wet conditions, helping to prevent hypothermia. Its reinforced seams enhance tear resistance, and the cape's one-size-fits-most design offers ample coverage for most adults. You can get this poncho for around $23. Compared to traditional campfires, this compact and lightweight fire source is perfect for backyards, picnics, camping trips, or even the beach. Made from recycled paper and eco-friendly soy wax, this portable campfire burns clean with minimal smoke, leaving minimal ash behind. The product is incredibly user-friendly, and depending on the conditions, you can enjoy a steady flame for 3 to 5 hours, and extinguishing the fire is just as easy as snuffing out the flames. They come in various sizes and styles to suit your needs and are just $37 for a single pack. This next gadget is a game changer for anyone who uses rope for outdoor activities. With this small but mighty device, you can make rope tensioning and securing a breeze. Featuring a signature brass roller with stainless steel springs and shafts, it can secure tents, canopies, or other situations where tight ropes are crucial. Its smooth roller mechanism lets you quickly tighten or loosen your rope without hassle, saving you time and frustration. It is also lightweight and highly durable, withstanding weather elements and frequent usage. This tool currently costs around $15. When venturing outdoors, you need to prepare yourself for unexpected weather conditions. This cape offers a compact and versatile solution for staying dry and warm. It is made from the same material used in spacesuits to protect against rain and wind, tackling two key outdoor threats: rain and cold. It also boasts impressive heat-reflective properties, where up to 90% of your body heat is reflected to your skin, preventing hypothermia. Its comfortable and lightweight design allows full body coverage, and its reflective surface enhances visibility in low light conditions. This product costs around $19.